Hi, my name is Cho. I'm the supply chain manager of Everest Corrugated. The reason why we went for Egoli gas is because our brother sister company, Everest Packaging, actually had access to Egoli gas, piped gas. And then from that perspective, we considered looking at natural gas. We did have other options. The other two options was heavy fuel oil or marine oil, how you put it, and diesel and coal. But we opted for natural gas because it was available in this area, number one. And plus, if you look at the maintenance of machinery, especially a boiler using natural gas, it is far better and easier to maintain and less costly. And plus, I think the gigajoule output of natural gas is a lot better than that of like a coal. At the end of the day, the extent of maintenance and cleaning of a boiler using heavy fuel oil, coal or diesel is a lot higher, the repetition of maintaining the boiler. So it made a lot of sense for us to go for natural gas. You've walked the site, you've seen how small our site is. We're not blessed with space. So for us to have an area to store coal, to fire the machine, or even diesel or heavy fuel oil, where do we put it? That's why what's nice is with the gas line, it's always there, it's always available, and it's always flowing. We couldn't get the right pressure, and Egoli then said, okay, let's get involved, bring our heads together, let's come up with a plan to solve it. And that's where we looked at an alternative regulator to try and stabilize that flow, which for us has worked very well. So that's been a positive. Overall, in general, from when I was handling the project in the installations with the engineering manager, Egoli Gas has been quite good at their service, I must say. From the onset of signing the contract to putting in the gas line, putting the installation, everything was quite good actually. I think with safety, the way the system's been designed is if there's any leakage or any problems on the gas line, there's an immediate shut-off. I think it's picked up on the pressure sensor, I think, within the pipe itself. So we're quite confident on the safety side of the gas. I think it's been a positive experience for this business. And from the project onset, natural gas was probably the number one choice we looked at. And then we compared it to everything else. At the end of the day, environmental impact, and that natural gas is still a better option compared to that of a coal and diesel and the heavy fuel oil. So for us, that was one of the key elements. So there's a lot to still do, a lot of plans in place. The world is our oyster right now. Let me put it that way. There's a lot happening and a lot of things, exciting things that we want to do. One of the things is, how do we make natural gas more integrated into our business to benefit us in the long run?